I'll be honest with you, I am not the best at keeping things tidy every single day.
Life gets busy, things pile up, and cleaning just doesn't always make the cut, so having something that actually stays on top of the mess for me is huge. This is the Eufy E25, a robot vacuum that doesn't just vacuum. It washes, scrubs, deep cleans, and it's got 20,000 pascals of suction power to throw around. So, if you got pets, long hair, carpets, or kids running around, you know the struggle. Regular robot vacuums either just pick up the surface dust or end up smearing wet messes all around. But the E25 is different. This thing takes on deep cleaning like it's personal. Let's say you spill something on the floor and forget about it, it dries, you come back hours later. Well, lucky for you, the E25 can scrub it clean since its HydroJet mopping applies 15 newtons of downward pressure, scrubs the mop 360 times per minute, and flushes in clean water while scraping up the stain or dirt. So it's not just wiping, it's actually deep cleaning. To prove it, I even did a white paper test. So I ran the E25 over a dried stain, then wiped the floor with a tissue. There's no residue, it's spotless. This HydroJet floor washing system also uses a dual scraper structure to constantly clean the mop in real time. That means no cross-contamination, it's not dragging old dirty water around your house like a sponge mop, so it's hygienic with every pass. This means you aren't left with a faint smear after passing over something like mustard, just clean, dry floor. Next up, let's talk about suction. The E25 pulls a whopping 20,000 pascals, which is more than 2.5 times the last generation. It lifts dirt out of carpets, handles large debris like cereal or pet kibble, and gets into corners better than I expected. And here's where I think pet owners will really appreciate it: the duo spiral detangle brushes. After running the vacuum, I flipped the robot over and noticed there's no hair tangled in the brushes. There's no need to grab scissors or any other tool to pull hair out of the mechanism here, so whether it's your cat shedding in clumps or long hair from family members building up around the rollers, the E25 handles it no problem. It rotates forward to pull in hair during cleaning, then reverses and retracts the brushes to push it into the dustbin during self-emptying. Corners are another area where robot vacuums tend to struggle, but not here. The E25's corner rover arm automatically extends to sweep edges and baseboards, then retracts when it's done. You'll actually see those crumbs vanish, which is super satisfying. It also dodges objects like a champ thanks to the AIC system. It recognizes over 200 plus household objects, shoes, cords, pet bowls, even toys, and activates built-in LEDs for low-light navigation. Now here's where it becomes almost completely hands-free. The all-in-one station is an unsung hero here since it self-empties the dustbin, washes the mop, dries it with hot air, dispenses detergent, refills clean water, and collects dirty water. You barely have to touch it, which is great if you're really busy like me, so you can just let it run and do its thing with minimal maintenance or upkeep required. The Eufy app also adds even more flexibility. You can schedule cleaning room by room, draw no-go zones, use smart voice controls, or let it auto-detect over 30 types of stains and adjust its cleaning method on its own. So a quick little recap here: we got HydroJet mopping for sticky messes or stains, 20,000 pascals of suction power for serious debris, tangle-free duo spiral brushes for dealing with hair, a corner rover arm for getting in those corners literally, AI obstacle avoidance, and an all-in-one dock. Anyway, if you want a handheld deep cleaning device for sofas or car seats, you can also check out the Eufy E28. It snaps into the same dock, but if you want hands-free, floor-focused cleaning, the E25 is powerful, hygienic, and way more affordable. So if you're ready to conquer every mess without lifting a finger, search for Eufy E25 on Amazon or click the link in the description.
And that about wraps things up here. I hope this video was helpful. Big shout out to Eufy for supporting the channel. It means a lot. And expect more content coming from me soon, especially about the new public beta updates from Apple. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.